If you want to completely uninstall AnyDesk from your laptop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to remove AnyDesk from Windows, and I'll also show you how to delete the leftover folders so it's fully removed from your system. This is useful if you no longer use AnyDesk, if you want to free up space, or if you just want to clean up your laptop properly. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, click the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Control Panel. When Control Panel appears in the search results, open it. This is where you can manage installed software on your laptop. Once Control Panel opens, click on Programs, then select Uninstall a program. Windows will now load a list of all the applications installed on your laptop, so give it a moment to finish loading. After the list appears, scroll down until you find AnyDesk. Click on AnyDesk once to highlight it. Then, at the top of the window, click Uninstall. If Windows asks you to confirm the removal, click Yes or Uninstall to continue. Now wait while the uninstall process completes. Depending on your system, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once AnyDesk has been removed, the next step is to clean up any leftover files. This part is important because some apps leave folders behind even after uninstalling. To do that, press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %A, ppdata%, then press Enter. A folder window will open. Look for the AnyDesk folder inside that location. If you find it, right-click the folder and choose Delete. This removes user-related data that may still remain on your laptop. Next, we need to check the ProgramData folder. Again, press Windows +R to open Run. This time, type %ProgramData% and press Enter. Once that folder opens, look for another AnyDesk folder. If you see it, right-click it and choose Delete. This helps make sure there are no leftover program files stored on your system. After deleting both folders, the final step is to restart your laptop. Before you do that, make sure you save any open files or work. Then restart the laptop and let Windows load again. Restarting helps apply the changes and clears out anything still running in the background. And that's it. You've now uninstalled AnyDesk from your laptop and removed the leftover folders as well. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.